Hey, are you a business owner working too hard and paying too much tax? This video is for you. Hi, I'm Martin McGrath from Financial Edge Group, and we specialise in helping people get themselves set up for retirement using different strategies. We actually work a lot with small business owners, and one of the common things I get is, I'm working hard, I'm making good money, I'm just paying too much in tax, and I don't know what to do about it. The best thing to do is create a plan. So what I mean by a plan is figure out where you're at, where you're trying to get to. So what are we making in revenue in this business, and what do we want to try and do to get money out in the right way? So step one is understand the structure you're in. A business is a business, but a business can operate from various structures. Could be a company, could be a trust, could be a partnership, could be a company owned by a trust, could be a trust owned by a company. There's lots of different ways. And that's the step one, is understand the structure you're in. And that's a perfect place to start. Once we know what that structure is, there's different strategies that apply to different structures. Because if you're owning a company, you get some money out in different ways. Is that a dividend? Is it wages? Is it super contributions? All that kind of stuff. If it's a trust, are we distributing? Who are we distributing to? What are the family members we might be able to distribute to? So there's lots of different ways to go about this. We've got a big list of strategies, and we try and overlap them with your plan about where you're trying to get to. So some of those include, as I mentioned, distributing via dividends versus wages. There's pros and cons. How much do we need to take of each? Who those dividends flow through to? Is it going to a trust? Is it going to another company? Are they going after family members through a family trust? That's some big tax savings that can happen that way. Are we putting some extra money into super, trying to build some assets outside of our business? Is that paying rent to another entity that is our own entity? So effectively, we can move that money back, perhaps from a lower tax rate environment, or from a high tax rate environment down to a lower tax rate environment, moving that money legally from one entity to another in the right manner. So making sure we have that strategy in place. There's also some things that, where's the best place to claim some expenses? Kind of with default, we claim everything in the business. But if the business tax rate, if it's a company, it might be at 25, 26%, personally might be at 40%. So do we claim some of those in different areas to get us a better overall tax result? Again, it's about having a bit of strategy and a plan. So what we actually do with business owners is we sit down every year, we refer stuff off to accountants, we work with quality accountants. There's plenty of good accountants on the coast. You might already have a good accountant. If not, let us know. But we kind of help them manage that stuff from a cash flow. What do they need to do? How are we building assets? All that kind of stuff. And the overall net result of basically everyone we work with is they pay a hell of a lot less tax because they're doing it the smarter way. So if you want to work smarter, reach out, get in contact us, check us out at financialedgegroup.com.au and book in a time to come in.